Hello decorators, welcome to Decor Lab. In this video, we will show you how to create a foam Hogwarts that can be added to any big display to finish the look. Let's get started. First, download the templates attached to this tutorial and print it on 110-pound paper. Then, place all the pictures in numeric order for each printed image. Here, the first number stands for the row and the second one is for the column. After pictures are aligned together, use tape to secure it in place and then for a permanent placement. After that, use scissors to cut out the Hogwarts shape, and craft knife to cut out the windows inside. Your Hogwarts stencil is ready. Put your stencils on top of the foams you are planning on using for your Hogwarts. We are using two 3/4 foams that are sized 4 by 8 foot, one for each stencil. Using a pen, trace your stencils on the foam. Then use the craft knife or a box knife to cut traced shapes. In this tutorial, we are switching between a large box cut knife and a small one that has been used in the tighter areas like windows. Using the same technique, cut out both shapes of Hogwarts. trace shapes. But we will use two slightly different colors to give this element more depth. The smaller house we chose to paint black, and the taller house painted gray. To create a gray color, we simply mix a white paint in black. You can also paint the back of the elements for a more professional look. Lastly, let's add the standing leg to each of our elements. Since this is a simple construction and does not require heavy-duty stand, we're just going to cut a triangle from the scraps of the foam, and we'll use the gaff tape to secure the leg to the back of the castle. Cut two triangles, 12 by 24 inches and 12 by 18 inches. Now use the gaff tape to apply on each side of the 18-inch on a smaller house and 24-inch on a taller house. Make sure that you connect the triangles to the middle of each castle at the bottom of the back. No, we specifically did not paint the legs so you can see the application better, but you should paint the legs as well. And here you have it, a foam Hogwarts elements that can be added to a bigger display.